everybody, this video is another very mixed vlog. You come out and about with me this week. I go all over the place. I go in search of a baby elephant. I didn't find it, sadly, but I will put a link in to where you can view it, and I may try and go and see it next week. But I couldn't find the baby elephant, so sounds a bit funny, but you'll understand when you watch my video. And I went out and about, and I went to a beauty salon I haven't been to before. I don't really do beauty salons very much. I never seem to have the time. But I did have, my sister-in-law bought me a pedicure for my birthday, which I loved. So you'll see me there and everything else I do this week. So sit back, if that's something you'd like, keep watching. Very mixed vlog, but I hope you like it. I will come on at the end, and also at the end there'll be a room tour of my new lounge. Well, not my new lounge, but you know, new to me. So keep watching. See you in a bit. Hi everybody, I'm just sat in a traffic queue actually at the railway crossing. I'm on my way. Well, I was taking something back to Next and I've blooming left it at home, so because I had a few other errands to run, so I've forgotten about it. So I'm going up to up near the Tesco and Next. There's a light fitting. It's a company that they don't normally sell to the public. They provide light fittings for like cruise ships and hotels, really good quality. And every 2 years they have a sale, a lighting sale. So I'm going today. I probably won't get anything, but I just thought if there was anything I saw for, you know, the room that I'm going to make the YouTube room. Well, it's got 2 bare bulbs at the moment. So even if I just get a shade or something, you know, I'll see what they've got. And then I want to nip up to TK Maxx. And look, my sweets arrived, and I want to get, I know it sounds a bit daft, but I want to get Peggy a new dog bed to go in there. So we'll see if we can find one. If not, she's got plenty of dog beds in the house. So anyway, the second train's just gone past, so it shouldn't be long. Here we go. One train went past before. Bumpety bump over the railway line. I want to try and get to the zoo at some point because they've got a baby elephant. It's probably grown a bit by now, but I'd love to see it, and I thought I could film it for you if I did see it, but it's just finding time to go. I'll have to see how much it is to get in. I think it's probably about £20. I saw these 2 lamps that I like at the shop, but this is the one that I actually bought. So you'll see it in my completed lounge. Morning everybody, it's Tuesday, and I'm on my way to the charity shop again. I've lived in my house for over 50 years, so I've got 50 years of clutter. You know, when you get to my age, you start worrying about your family, having to sort it out, which I know would be my daughter. So, I'm on a mission to try and clear out 20 items a day. I don't know how I'll get on, but I've got quite a lot of stuff in the car for the charity shop. You know, you accumulate so much stuff that you don't use. You know, I've things in the car that we bought for my daughter's wedding, you know, so like sweet jars and things like that. I don't know what I'm rattling, can't you? So I'm just trying to drop them off quickly this morning. Then this afternoon, can I get into this lane? Yeah, I think I can. I want to go up to Next. I ordered some cushions for my new suite, but I ordered like a selection because I didn't know which would look right. So I need to take the ones that I'm not having back. And then I'm not sure, I tried to make an appointment for Hillary's Blinds to come and give me a quote for some blinds for my back lounge. Now I have had a local company come who were very good, but they're mega expensive, so it's like talking telephone numbers. It's probably what I want, you know, that's expensive because they are big windows. But anyway, I thought I'd get Hillary to come to give me, because you know, you have nothing to compare with, have you? So it would give me an idea. Now I'm not sure whether they come in because I made this appointment online for 3 o'clock this afternoon. But I've never received an email and I can't find any trace of it, so I'm feeling this is either not gone through or nobody's coming, but I will have to be in just in case. You can't speak to anybody nowadays, you have to do everything online. To ring up about my Sky and that was a nightmare. Eventually I got, after talking to robots, messaging robots, speaking to a foreign call centre who couldn't understand what I was talking about, and I couldn't understand what they were talking about either, to be truthful. And I eventually, after about an hour, got put through to a call centre in Scotland that was so helpful. Why I couldn't get put through to them in the first place, I do not know. I suppose these overseas call centres are so cheap to run. It's raining a bit heavier now. Listen to those rattling. Right, I'll get back to you in a bit. Hi everybody. I've just stopped at some traffic lights, so I thought I'd have a little chat with you. Now I haven't got my microphone on. I know a lot of people probably won't be happy, but last time I used my microphone, well, it's happened twice really. I lost all the sound and all the footage was wasted, so I need to find out what I'm doing wrong. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I need to spend some time to read why that's happened. There must be a troubleshooting thing on the website, so I must have a look. So I'm sorry if it's not loud enough. Oh, the lights are changing now. I'm just going to Next. I ordered a few cushions from Next to see which look best on my suite, on my new settee. Anyway, I've chosen one. Well, I've ordered one, I've got one and I've ordered another. So I've chosen it, so I'm just taking the ones that I didn't choose back. And then I need to just nip in Tesco. I just need some milk really. If I just come out with milk, it will be a miracle. But I've got an Ocado shop coming on Friday, I think. So I don't really need much else. But of course I'll look at the clothes, but I'm definitely not buying any. Oh, do you know, the traffic lights are on red and now the railway crossing's on red, so I'm not having much luck today. Then this evening I'm going up to the plant place. I think I might have mentioned it. They've got like, well, Well, they support a local charity called Sam's Place, and it's like they're launching all the Christmas collection, and then they're raising money for this Sam's Place. They usually have a big raffle. So I'm going to go with that. I will film it. Now, funnily enough, I'd filmed some of the Christmas things at the plant place to go in this week's vlog. But I might, and I had sort of edited it, but I might not delete that footage, but move that footage and just do one on the plant place. I'll see if I make any decent footage tonight. Which means I'll have to alter the other one that's getting ready for going out, really. But I didn't know about this Christmas launch beforehand. They just sent me an email. It should be nice, and I hope they raise quite a bit of money. It's such a good charity. When they opened the garden room, which is their like eating restaurant, for the first 2 weeks it was open, they had like, you know, it was like a trial week, if you would, or 2 weeks as it turned out, and half the take-ins they donated to Sam's Place, so that was really nice. I will put a link in the description box for Sam's Place, and you might be able to read about the charity. You might even want to donate to it. It's a really good charity. It's local as well, which is nice. Right, it looks like these trains, because usually there's 2 trains. One goes that way, and then oh, there's the one that's just gone that way, and then one goes the other way. Or maybe they'll just one. If I'm waiting for the other one, I might switch you off. I've turned you around. We're obviously waiting. There's the other one. So we should be able to move forward soon. Here we are. This house on the left here, the white one, that used to be the signal man's house. There used to be a signal box on the other side, and that's where he lived. Those days have gone now, haven't they? Everything's automated. You don't know what's real and what isn't. It's very confusing, isn't it? Knowing what to believe and what not to believe. Right, I'm going to stop talking because I don't think you hear very well in the car. But I might just, on the way, you know, we've got a baby elephant at our local zoo. Well, someone told me that you can see it from the back of the zoo. I don't know whether that's right, but I might try and drive round there and see if I can see it. Then I can film it for you. It looks adorable. They put some photos on the website last night of the mummy elephant and the baby elephant asleep cuddled up together. It looks fabulous. I'll see if I can put a link in for the Blackpool Zoo website, because you might be able to see it then. Anyway, I'm going to switch off for now. Right, well, I'm just driving up to the zoo now. I don't know whether I'll be able to see anything. If not, I shall have to come down one day and pay to go round the zoo. I definitely want to take some footage of the little elephant. This is quite rare for one to be born over here. It is a lovely zoo. Oh, this must be the zoo car park. can get an annual pass, which I know a lot of people do get. You know, if you've got children, it's really good value, I do believe. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to come up to the zoo one day and do a video on the zoo, maybe. To be truthful, I have to be truthful, I'm not really that fond of zoos. I always feel sorry for the animals. I remember they've got some gorillas here. Well, I don't really still have them, but when I used to bring my children, they had gorillas, and I always felt so sorry for them. People would be stood watching them and they turned their backs on them, you know, as if they were humiliated. It's awful, really. But they're not treated well in the wild, are they? At least they're well looked after here. Going in now. They got these speed bumps, they are annoying. Member of the gym here when it was healthier. Now this is supposed to be a walk that goes round the back of the zoo. I don't know whether it does. I was going to bring Peggy, but I thought if she saw any animals she'd be going mad and she'd distress them. But somebody said you can see the elephants from this side. I don't know whether that's true. And I don't know where I'm going really. I wonder which way. Would it be that way? I mean, that must be the zoo there. I'm going to walk up here and see what I can see. Oh, I can see it, I think? Oh no, it might be a stone one. Well, I could see it then. It's just a rock. I wonder which way it would be. Oh, I can hear them. They sound like they're over that way. Can you hear them? Let's go back that way. I am going to give up and I'm going to pay to go in the zoo just to try and film the elephant for you. I can hear the animals, can you? Isn't it pretty here? Look at all the ivy on the ground. It does take over though, doesn't it? Isn't that a lovely sound, it all crunching under your feet? Oh, can't get out. There probably is a way you can see from here, but I don't want to keep wandering round. It's very muddy, look. Very pretty. Oh, look at this, it looks like somebody's been making a bit of a den. Right, back to the car park and get on with my travel to next. First of all, can I just apologise for that terrible music that's played through the beginning of this, all through this video? I've no idea where it's come from and I can't remove it, so I'm really sorry. Anyway, here I am at Tesco, just looking at some of the new clothing in. They've got some beautiful clothes, some lovely coats. A lot of them were about £69, so they weren't, you know, too cheap, but there were some beautiful coats. And then lots and lots of lovely party wear. You'll see in a moment. That's a lovely coat, isn't it? It looks quite bulky though, doesn't it? Then if you like fur, this big fur one. That was full length. I don't know that I quite showed it full length. Oh yeah, I think you can see now. Oh, lovely. That's $69.99 as well. There were some lovely things in. This tiger print seems to be in. They've still got a couple of sale racks. Well, a few sale racks they had. The new season sings in all this, lots and lots of sequins. I thought this cardigan style jacket, or jacket style cardigan, was lovely. And then this beautiful burgundy. Lovely. It's a lovely colour, this, isn't it? Some really nice items. It is worth popping in, you know, and having a look. I love that burgundy with the cream. It's obviously nearly party season. This is the cardigan style jacket or whatever that I like. A jacket style cardigan, whichever. And then this brown velour set I thought was nice. Nice for lounging around in at home over Christmas and that. Wouldn't that be lovely? Really nice. The only thing I thought was strange was that it had short sleeves. I thought this time of year it would have had long sleeves. Back to the glitter. I tried this coat and I thought this was lovely. Do you know, I can't remember how much it was. I think it was about 49, but I'm not sure. I don't need it. I just thought I'd try it on. Felt lovely and warm. Although the lining was like a mock leather. I don't think you can see in a minute, which I thought was a bit unusual. They could have made it reversible, couldn't they? And now it's Thursday and I'm here at Get Smooched Beauty Salon in Kirkham. That's my lovely sister-in-law Linda, and she treated me for my birthday for she gave me a voucher for here, which we chose to have pedicures. It's a lovely beauty salon. Last year she won Beauty Therapist of the Year. So, you know, if you're in Kirkham, pay it a visit, you know, very nice. Lovely lady called Jamie who runs it. And do you remember we went to the dinner? There's Jamie, you can just see it. Do you remember we went to the dinner last year in Manchester? Well, we're going again this year. That's that posh dinner I'm going to. Here's Jamie, she's putting the lights on. It is a lovely salon. Very nice. We had 2 lovely cups of coffee. This is a photo of Jamie and her husband when at the awards last year. And this was the award she won. Beauty Therapist of the Year. Oh, Best Beauty Therapist it was. These are all the qualifications. So if you fancy a pamper session, go to Kirkham. This is the outside of the salon. So you know where it is if you were going through Kirkham. It's a nice little place, Kirkham. You know, there's quite a few nice shops there. So it's worth a visit, you know, if you're in the area. Thank you all for watching this vlog if you've got this far. After I've just done this little ending bit, I'm going to put a room tour on of my lounge, so you'll be able to see the lounge as it is. It's not completely finished, but a few of you have been asking, so I hope you like it. I do, and it's comfortable. That's the main thing. So thank you so much for watching. It's a very mixed vlog, I do understand, But that's my life, been my life for this week. So I hope you like it anyway. And I hope, and thank you for so much. I'm very pleased I've hit 8,500 subscribers. So thank you so much, everybody who's subscribed. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, it's absolutely free and it really, really helps me out. And hyping my video helps me out, but you know, you can only have 3 hypes a week. So I just always want to remind you that in case there's other people you want to hype. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So bye. Now comes the room tour. Right, I'm just going to show you my lounge. It's not fully completed, but first of all, have a look at the decorating. The paint is Farrow and Ball. Well, it's a Farrow and Ball copy, and the colour is Slipper Satin. And then the wallpaper is from a company called Woodchip and Magnolia. They're in Manchester, or near Manchester, and they print it as you order it, so there's no waste. Right, so do you remember I went to the light fitting shop? Well, I bought this new lamp. They're ever such good value when they have the sale on. I think it was £45, which is really, really good. I had to pay extra for the shade, but I'm really pleased with it. Peggy's got a new bed. She's still got her other ones, but just for in here to match the suite. This is a suite, it's like a pale blue. Excuse the cover on, it's because the dogs keep jumping up on it, so I'll just put that cover on for now. Whether I'll ever train them not to, I don't know. So I'm just waiting for blinds. These are my 3 options, can you see? But I'll have to see how much they are. I did get one estimate, but it was sort of a bit out of my price range. So whether I'll get them or not, I don't know. And then the rug is from Dunelm. I had the floor done, but I love the floor. But I do prefer carpet, but because of the dogs in and out, I got this Carndine like I have in the hall. Excuse me. But it's not warm underfoot like carpet is. So I bought this rug from Dunelm. It's not put under properly because I couldn't lift the suite up to put it under the suite. So I'll have to wait till someone comes to help me. So this is the lounge as it is. Complete with 2 dogs at the moment. Mabel has got a bed here, but she prefers the rug. She likes a new rug. Peggy's in a bed, so Mabel can't get in it, I think. And this bowl here is one I've had years and years. I got it from a shop in Poulton. I do like it though. But I had it in the other room, but I thought, oh, it goes in here now. So, and the light fittings I got from Next years ago. I know the ceiling roses are old-fashioned, but I really like them. So, that is a completed room. So that is a completed room. I hope you like it. I do, and it's comfortable. Oh, and then this little pouffe, this little stool here, I got from Home Sense. I wanted one to match the suite, but it was so expensive, and I think that was only, I think it was about £40 in Home Sense. Mabel's enjoying the new rug, and Peggy's enjoying a new bed. Mabel, of course, is my daughter's dog. That's why she hasn't got a new bed, but she does have a bed here. Right, that's the room tour.